Ling is a quiet small village in Zhenjiang in Huizhou, which in 2008 has a population of nearly 400 people. During the 1990s, there were lots of paddy fields in Ling. Most of the population there was engaged in farming and related activities. Farmers used to harvest more than 2 crops of rice and 4 crops of vegetables a year. However, rapid urbanization and industrialization in the Zhejiang Delta region have facilitated rural-urban migration in Huizhou. Many villagers in Ling have moved out to the cities to seek jobs and educational opportunities due to the low income and hard life in the village. This has greatly reduced the farming labor force in the rural areas. Nowadays, there are very few local villagers left in Ling. Many of the farmers there are hired from Guangxi. They build shelters and normally stay in the village for 1 or 2 years. Since more and more local villagers are leaving the village, abandoned houses can be seen everywhere. Even the ancestors' hall of the village is left unattended. As the nearby markets have a great demand for fresh food, farmers have shifted from growing rice to fresh vegetables. Paddy fields are hardly ever seen now in Ling. Towards the end of 2008, the local government will take back the farmland for industrial use. Many of the contracts for hiring farmers in Guangxi will be terminated. In the coming years, the greenery in Ling will soon disappear.